I was looking at a way that I can help promote the sport in India. It's something that I loved. I felt it was a great sport, and I felt India just didn't have the facilities, the infrastructure, the talent. I felt the sport had great potential, and when I got approached by the NBA to do something with them, we just sort of embarked on this journey.
But they wanted to start a cult, though. Didn't want to get caught. From Genesee Park to Othello, you could clown for those pro wings with the Velcro. Those were not tight. I was trying to fly without leaving the ground, cause I wanted to be like.
Someday I would even try to be like Jordan and even beat his record. I'll try my best to do it.
I wanted to be that guy. I wanted to touch the rim. I wanted to be cool, and I wanted to fit in. I wanted what he had. America. It begins.
Siliguri is a small place, so we never had a good scope out there. So all I had to learn was from basketball videos in YouTube. And my idol is Michael Jordan. Since childhood I've watched him play, and all I've learned is only from him. We never had a coach out there.
This is a really big opportunity for me. This is like biggest thing in my life so far.
जब स्टार्टिंग की तो यहाँ पे वो सुविधाएं नहीं थी सर हमको, क्योंकि बॉल भी कम ही थी, बच्चे ज़्यादा थे सर. अब ग्राउंड भी दो ही हैं सर, जिसमें गर्ल्स भी हैं, बॉयज़ भी हैं, और कोर्ट भी नहीं मिल पाता था, टाइम भी नहीं मिल पाता था.
Look at me, I'm a cool kid, I'm an individual, yeah, but I'm part of a movement. My movement told me be a consumer, and I consumed it. They told me to just do it, I listened to what that swoosh said.
Remember, every guy with the ball is Michael Jordan. Every guy with the ball is Michael Jordan. So put guys between him and the basket. We told him to stop the ball in the middle. Stop the ball in the middle. You are running a little faster. You have to run faster and faster every time. You stay between the ball and the basket. Get your butt down and play defense. And play defense. Doesn't matter. Stop the ball. Stop the ball. Stop the ball.
Look at what that swoosh did. See it consume my thoughts. Are you stupid? Don't crease them, just leave them in that box. Strangled by these laces, I can barely talk. That's my air bubble and I'm lost. If it pops, we are what we wear.
It's a big fillip. It is going to bring the players out. For those players of basketball who think there's no future in a sport, I can't make a living in a sport, this serves to make them doubt that belief that they have.
I would really like ACG to give such a big platform, such a big opportunity for the underdogs who have been eagerly waiting for this one. Indian basketball is gonna flourish after this initiative you have provided for these people. I would really like to thank ACG and NBA for it.
My heart, what he says, he'll go very high. This is my what heart says. He'll go very high. He'll go to Delhi 21st. 5 days camp is there, whatever is there, but he'll go very high.
I'm really glad right now in the ACG NBA Jump program. I'm playing with these guys. I'm really thankful.
We are so excited to go to China and represent the Indian country. Hopefully we get right to for our country and then shine. Thanks a lot.
ACG NBA Jump Camp ਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਕੈਂਪ 'ਚ ਸਿਲੈਕਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਫॉर ਡੀ ਲੀਗ ਟ੍ਰਾਇਲ ਆਊਟ. ਮੈਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਖੁਸ਼ ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਜੋ ਵਿਸ਼ਵਾਸ ਕੀਤਾ ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਖਰਾ ਉਤਰਾਂ.
This is what I am, what I wore, this is the source of my youth. This dream that they sold to you. $400 and some change, consumption is in the veins, and now I see it's just another pair of shoes.